Have you ever wondered how the reign of dinosaurs began on this planet? Journey back with us to a time long before the pyramids, before the ice ages, to about 250 million years ago, during the Triassic period. It was during this epoch that the Earth bore witness to the emergence of the very first dinosaurs. Picture, if you will, a world unlike any we know today, a vast, singular supercontinent known as Pangaea, a colossal landmass that housed diverse ecosystems and a range of climates. This supercontinent was not just a massive expanse of land, but a cradle of evolutionary innovation. In the lush fern prairies and sparse conifer forests, amidst the arid deserts and humid tropical zones, the stage was set for a dramatic new chapter in the history of life. The unique and varied environments of Pangaea played a crucial role in nurturing the nascent species that would come to be known as dinosaurs. These early dinosaurs were a far cry from the colossal creatures that would later roam this Earth. They began as relatively small creatures, both carnivorous and herbivorous, adapting in unique ways to their surroundings. Among the scattered conifers and cycads, these pioneering species eked out a living, slowly but surely setting the foundations for the rise of giants. From the nimble-footed Eoraptor, a lithe predator, to the sturdy and herbivorous Plateosaurus, each species carved out a niche in their respective habitats, paving the way for the evolution of more specialized and formidable descendants. Thus began the age of dinosaurs, setting the stage for an era of giants that would dominate our planet's history. Imagine a world ruled by creatures as tall as buildings and as fierce as your worst nightmares. Welcome to the Jurassic period, a time when the Earth was a vastly different landscape, teeming with life forms that defy our modern comprehension. This was the age of the dinosaurs, a period that spanned from about 200 million to 145 million years ago, marking a golden era in the reign of these astonishing creatures. Among the giants that roamed this ancient world was the Brachiosaurus, an immense sauropod whose neck stretched skyward, allowing it to feast on the high canopies of coniferous forests. Equally impressive was the Stegosaurus, with its distinctive row of bony plates rising along its back and a spiked tail poised for defense. These creatures were not just colossal, they were marvels of evolutionary adaptation. The climate of the Jurassic was predominantly warm and humid, with lush vegetation covering vast tracts of land. This verdant environment was crucial, for it supported the life of numerous herbivorous dinosaurs. Massive ferns, cycads, and ginkgo trees thrived, fueled by the warm temperatures and high levels of carbon dioxide, creating a paradise for the plant-eating giants. But where there are herbivores, predators are never far behind. The Jurassic also saw the rise of fearsome carnivores like the Allosaurus, a formidable hunter whose sharp teeth and claws made it a top predator in this prehistoric wilderness. These predators played a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, ensuring that no single species dominated the landscape without check. Life in the Jurassic was a dynamic interplay of growth, survival, and adaptation. The interdependence of species was evident, as plants, herbivores, and carnivores all played their parts in a grand, natural opera. In this era of giants, every creature was a masterpiece of evolutionary design, finely tuned to the world around it. In a world lush and bountiful, these magnificent beasts thrived, each species perfectly adapted to its environment. As we move into the Cretaceous period, the dinosaurs faced new challenges and opportunities. This era, spanning from about 145 million to 66 million years ago, was a time of profound transformation, not only for the dinosaurs but for the entire planet. The Earth itself was undergoing dramatic shifts. The supercontinent Pangaea continued its slow, inexorable breakup into the familiar continents of today. This geographical shuffle reshaped oceans and continents, altering climates and creating new pathways for dinosaur migration. Imagine behemoth creatures like the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex traversing these changing landscapes, driven by the need to adapt, migrate, and survive. As these massive landmasses drifted apart, they ushered in varied climates, from steamy tropical wetlands to arid, harsh deserts. These changing environments dictated the evolution and dispersion of dinosaur species. The introduction of new predators and prey in different regions spurred evolutionary arms races, which sculpted a variety of formidable creatures, each uniquely adapted to its own niche. During the Cretaceous, the stage was also set for a significant biological innovation, the emergence of flowering plants. This period saw the first blossoms that would eventually dominate modern landscapes. The relationship between these flowering plants and dinosaurs was symbiotic. While plants provided an abundant new food source, dinosaurs helped in the pollination and spread of these flora, playing a critical role in the reproductive cycles of these early flowers. Among the most iconic dinosaurs that roamed the Earth during this period were the fierce Tyrannosaurus rex and the sturdy Triceratops. These creatures not only symbolize the power and diversity of Cretaceous dinosaurs, but also highlight the intense survival struggles and ecological dynamics of the time. This dynamic period of change pushed the evolution of dinosaurs to impressive new heights. The Cretaceous period was not just another chapter in the story of dinosaurs, it was a grand theatre of evolutionary innovation where the limits of life were tested and redefined, setting the stage for the modern world as we know it. But what led to the sudden disappearance of these colossal creatures? The curtain call of the age of dinosaurs was as dramatic as their millions of years of dominion over Earth. Our leading theory points to a catastrophic collision with an asteroid, an event that unfolded about 66 million years ago. This colossal impact created what we now know as the Chicxulub crater, located in present-day Mexico. Imagine an object, roughly 6 miles wide, hurtling through space and striking Earth with a force so immense that it unleashed a global cataclysm. The impact generated shockwaves that reverberated across continents and sparked wildfires thousands of miles away. But the immediate devastation was just the beginning. The true assassin was the aftermath. The collision thrust billions of tons of debris into the atmosphere, including sulfur and dust, which enshrouded the planet. This veil blocked sunlight, drastically cooling the Earth and disrupting the climate. Photosynthesis, the lifeblood of the food chain, was severely hampered, leading to a catastrophic collapse in ecosystems across the globe. The impact winter that followed was bleak. Temperatures plummeted and darkness prevailed for years. Food chains crumbled, and without sustenance, even the mightiest dinosaurs could not endure. Alongside them, countless other species perished, clearing the stage in one of Earth's most profound mass extinctions. This catastrophic event ended the reign of the dinosaurs, making way for other species to rise. The Earth did not remain silent for long after the dinosaurs vanished. As the colossal reign of the dinosaurs ended, the stage was set for a new era, one dominated by the rise of mammals and birds. With the disappearance of these giant reptiles, the ecological landscape underwent profound transformations. In the wake of the mass extinction, the climate shifted dramatically. The once warm and humid world of the dinosaurs cooled and diversified into varied environments. This shift was not just a challenge, but a vast opportunity for the smaller, more adaptable creatures that had lived in the shadows of the dinosaurs. Mammals particularly found new niches to explore. From the tiny, shrew-like creatures that scurried in the underbrush, mammals began to evolve into a dazzling array of forms. Some took to the trees, others burrowed underground, and yet others took bold steps into the open plains. Birds, the direct descendants of certain theropod dinosaurs, also flourished. With many predators now gone, they diversified into forms we now see today, from the majestic eagles soaring in the sky to the tiny hummingbirds flitting from flower to flower. The world was repopulated by these adaptable and versatile creatures, filling the void left by the dinosaurs. Forests grew denser, grasslands expanded, and the face of the planet was irrevocably changed. This was a time of rapid evolutionary experimentation and adaptation. From the ashes of the dinosaur era rose a new world, rich with diverse life forms shaping the future of the planet. Reflecting on the era of dinosaurs offers us profound insights into resilience and change. In the vast expanse of Earth's history, the age of dinosaurs is a saga of evolution and adaptation. These magnificent creatures first appeared during the Triassic period over 200 million years ago, when the continents were fused into a supercontinent known as Pangaea. As the millennia passed, Pangaea fragmented into the continents we recognize today, a process that reshaped the climates and habitats across the globe. Dinosaurs thrived through these monumental shifts. From the lush, verdant jungles of the Jurassic to the varied ecosystems of the Cretaceous, they adapted to survive in environments both harsh and bountiful. Their dominance was unparalleled, with species ranging from the towering long-necked sauropods to the fierce and cunning velociraptors. Yet despite their reign spanning millions of years, the dinosaurs faced a sudden and catastrophic end. About 65 million years ago, a colossal asteroid impact triggered a mass extinction event, erasing nearly all dinosaur life forms. This cataclysmic event reshaped life on Earth, paving the way for mammals and eventually humans to rise to prominence. The impact of the dinosaurs extends beyond their extinction. The fossil records they left behind have allowed scientists to piece together the puzzle of Earth's ancient past. Through these remnants, we gain insights into evolution, climate change, and the resilience of life itself. Though the dinosaurs are long gone, their legacy continues to fascinate and teach us about the ever-changing planet we call home.